Kyle, I need your help. We need to talk.
souls to listen to, eh?
Sure. We haven't suffered enough, have we? Let's get that executioner in here too.
Kyle, Dr. Camilla's research is even more promising than we thought. With the proper infusions, he believes we can enhance our telepathic abilities. To not just communicate, but to control. Camilo, perhaps you should explain.
Yes, sure. I'll try. It's a little complicated. As you know, Lydia and her people have unique abilities.
Right, like telepathy.
Not just telepathy. It's much more, or at least it could be. It goes beyond simple communication. With the proper enhancements, Lydia could connect directly with the mind of a non-sentient infected and activate specific areas of the brain.
And why would she want to do that?
Your average biter operates strictly on instinct, driven by hunger. Imagine if you could redirect that hunger towards prey of your own choosing.
You're talking about controlling the infected.
Yes, I believe it's very possible. The Baron has no idea of the strides I've made. With Lydia and her people, I have the perfect opportunity to prove my theory.
You could create an undead army.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, but yes, the possibilities are endless. However, we need your help.
My help? You know I got a D in high school chemistry.
I need certain rare substances to create the proper infusion. But they are located in a very dangerous area.
Okay. How dangerous?
In a volatile nest.
Wow. Okay. You know dealing with volatiles is no walk in the park, right?
I know. I wouldn't ask if it wasn't critical, Kyle. But it's your call.
Well, what do you need?
We need a sample of volatile plasma. Preferably from its larva.
Okay, that's crazy. But... well, if that's what you need, fine. I'll get that sample for you.
3.
What? What?
I'm not sure every sample will contain the correct protein. So, just to be sure, we are going to need 3. Each from a different creature.
You got any more levels of difficulty, Doc? Like, should I do it blindfolded? How about backwards?
Forwards is fine.
All right, I'll get your damn samples. I assume you have some particular nest in mind?
Yes, I can point you to one.
After the incident, the Baron restricted my access. He handed my project to Dr. Dittman and forced me to do all my testing in the field. That's why I was at that school.
Kyle, right?
Yeah, and you are?
Jenna. Lydia has me keep tabs on all this junk. In a way, you could say I'm our storekeeper.
So what's on your mind?
I got an urgent problem, and I need your help. Ron's in distress.
How are you so sure?
Just felt his presence.
Telepathically.
Yeah. Didn't speak, it was just his fear. He's in danger.
Ron?
One of my suppliers. Folks here always need things. Meds, books, batteries. Ron and Anna have a knack for finding stuff.
Well, maybe Anna would know where Ron is.
Can't reach her either. They're always together. In here, out there, they're peas in a pod, inseparable.
Yeah, their runs, how long do they usually take?
Sometimes a day, sometimes several, it varies. They've got a home away from home, a place they used to hunker down. Keep it out of sight, store loot.
Wait, Lydia's okay with them leaving the cave?
Look around you. We're always lacking something here. Lydia gets that.
So she turns a blind eye.
Got to get by somehow, right?
I can track him down for you.
I know you've got a lot on your plate, but I'll make it worth your while. Check that big mansion in the villa area. Ron and Anna were using it as their pit stop.
Alright, well, I hope I find some clues there.
Hope so too.